Hello everyone. Welcome to FluentPath English. Today's lesson is Real English for Real Life. This is not textbook English. This is the English people use every day. You will learn how to greet people naturally, talk in daily situations, ask questions, respond like a native speaker, build confidence in real conversations. Let's start step by step. Part 1. Natural greetings. In real life, people don't always say good morning formally. They say, hey, hi there, how's it going? What's up? Long time no see. Repeat after me. Hey, how's it going? What's up? Long time no see. Now practice. A, hey, how's it going? B, I'm good, thanks. You? Good job. Part 2. Real introductions. Let's learn natural introductions. Instead of only saying my name is, people say, I'm Daniel. Nice to meet you. I go by Sarah. I'm from Ethiopia. I work as a student. Now practice. Hi, I'm Daniel. Nice to meet you. Hi, I'm Sarah. I'm from Ethiopia. Perfect. Part 3. Daily life conversations. Conversation 1. Meeting a friend. Hey, long time no see. Yeah, it's been a while. How have you been? I've been good. Conversation 2. At a store. Hi, how much is this? It's $5. Can I pay with cash? Yes, of course. Conversation 3. Asking directions. Excuse me, where is the bus station? Go straight and turn left. Thank you. You're welcome. Excellent. Part 4. Everyday expressions. Repeat after me. No problem. I'm on my way. Give me a second. That's fine. I'm not sure. Let me check. Sounds good. Take care. Now sentences. I'm on my way now. Give me a second, please. That sounds good. Very good. Part 5. Real English pronunciation. Let's practice natural speaking speed. Repeat slowly. Gonna, going to. Wanna, want to. Gotta, got to. Let me. Now sentences. I'm gonna go now. I wanna learn English. I gotta study today. Let me help you. Good job. Speak naturally, not perfectly. Part 6. Real life speaking challenge. Now answer these questions out loud. What are you doing today? Where are you going? Who are you talking to? What do you like doing? How do you feel today? Speak freely. Don't translate too much. Just try. Amazing work today. Remember, real English is simple, fast, and natural. Practice a little every day. If you enjoyed this lesson, like the video. Subscribe to FluentPath English. Keep practicing daily. See you in the next class.